Hello everybody, I hope you're having a nice Christmas. Yes, we are officially closed, but I was waiting on that. It didn't get delivered before we broke up. Because I'm that dedicated to the cause, I'm going to get this sorted. So we're in today, which is only Monday the 23rd. It's not really doing much home anyway. Get this gasket on, get this bike back together, give the gent a call, and he'll have a Merry Christmas as well. So the bike wasn't charging, and as you can see from this old stator, it's no wonder why. So we've got a shiny new one to replace it. That's why we needed the gasket. So first things first, to get the gasket in place, a little RTV on the engine cases and on the little rubber that holds the wiring in the actual outer casing, and then bolts in and tighten it all up. Pretty straightforward stuff. And when it's all back together, we get the multimeter out and check the charging. As you can see from that charging voltage, that's exactly what we're wanting, as opposed to what was before. Quick voiceover to note that before the charging voltage was 0, so all we had at the multimeter was battery voltage, which was about 12.3, I believe. So we're running it up for a little bit longer, because I've replaced the oil, so we need the oil to circulate. And then when the level sets, I'll top it back up, and then we can build it back up and finish her off. So this is all pretty standard stuff. May be pretty boring to watch, but here we go. So seats back on, belly pan back on. There were a few bolts that weren't. It's a bit higgledy-piggledy with bolts. It's not got all the standard bolts, so I had to make a couple. But still straightforward stuff. Just bodywork replacement. Not dancing around. You can't hear the music, so you don't know what I'm dancing to. But if you think you can guess, please comment below. Just topping the oil up back to the correct levels, and now I'm just going around it with the Vulcanet wipe to clean off my fingerprints and make it nice and pristine again. Okay, that's another one all done and dusted. Aaron's on his way to pick this up, and when he is done and gone, I'll be on my way too. Christmas is just around the corner, and I wish everybody a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Or was it Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year? Either way, enjoy your time off, enjoy the holidays, enjoy the family, and I'll see you in 25. Thank you very much.